Pati Dilemma. Away they go from the outside. Blue Phoenix immensely lasting Rose Blusher. Moving up by the Rat Poker Chip alongside. Ace Alexis Diamond Uptown Girl rushing up. Yes, Miss number 7 Lek Enki. Nobody but you is running at the tail of the field immensely by a length and a half, followed by Lasting Rose. Poker Chip by the alongside is Blusher. Under father outside Blue Phoenix. Uptown Girl, Yes Miss, and Alexis Diamond. Another far turn. Lasting Rose now the leader. Immensely by the rushing up. Yes Miss. And Blusher moving up. Alexis Diamond Danori inside 9A as they raise the last 450. Lasting Rose by Anek. Yes, Miss Alexis Diamond Danori inside 4th belongs to Blusher. Last 200. Lasting Rose with JB Goose is still leading by about 2 lengths, followed by Alexis Diamond by the Yes, Miss Blusher Uptown Girl, and finally number 4 Lasting Rose, Alexis Diamond, 10 Yes Miss Blusher, and for your Pentapecta number 5 Uptown Girl.